So these are still using that same number, or these problems are still using these same numbers of the tubs of cookies. Question 4 says, which two members sold a combined total of 39 tubs of cookie dough? So this one's a little more tricky. We have to find two numbers that we could add that would make 39. This means we're going to try out a couple of combinations. Who can give me one combination that they think would give us 39? What two numbers should I try adding to see if they'll make 39? Alexa, what do you think?
Maybe you can try. Wait, what number?
We're trying to get 39. So what two numbers do you think I should try to add together to make 39?
Maybe 22 and 8?
Okay, let's try 22 and 8. 22 plus 8. What's 2 plus 8? Alexa, what's 2 plus 8?
10?
10. I'm going to put a 0. I'm going to carry over a 1. What's 2 plus 1? Nakai, what's 2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 is 3.
3. Okay. So if I add those together, I get 30. But they want 39. So those ones don't work. I do like your idea though, Alexa. Maybe try using the bigger numbers and see what we need to add to them. Because these are close to 39. I just need to add something a little bit extra to them. So we know that if I use 22, I need to use a bigger number than 8. What's a bigger number than 8 that I could try adding to that 22 that might give me 39? Kylie? Because I like Alexa's idea. She started with 22. We tried adding 8, but it wasn't enough. I need something bigger than 8. What's another number on here that's bigger than 8 that I could try?
Uh, 17.
Okay, let's try 17. That's bigger than 8. 22 plus 17.
Oh,
2,
Mr. Mayor, could you mute me?
yeah. 2 plus 7. What is 2 plus 7? Jaylene, what's 2 plus 7?
I was touching my hand.
That's all right. Tell me, what's 2 plus 7?
9.
9. Okay, so we have 9. What's 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1.
Do I still answer it?
Yeah, go ahead. 2 plus 1,
3.
Jaylene. 3. 39. That's what I wanted. So now I just have to go and look who sold 22 tubs and who sold 17 tubs. What are the two boys that sold 22 and 17 tubs? Alexa, what are their names?
Nicholas and Brandon.
Nicholas and Brandon. So those are the two boys that sold a combined total of 39 tubs. Nicholas and Brandon.
It's blurry.
Oh, sorry. Let's see. There we go. Oh, there we go. Nicholas and Brandon. Those were the two boys who sold a combined total of 39 tubs of cookies. Well, cookie dough, not cookies. You have to still make them. How many more tubs did Aiden sell than Caesar? How many more tubs? Again, we're comparing. When we compare numbers, we use subtraction. And they're asking about Aiden and Caesar. If I look back at my frequency table, who can tell me what two numbers am I subtracting here? If I'm subtracting Aiden and Caesar, what are the two numbers I need to use? Jadine? What are the two numbers I need to use, Jadine? 14 and 8. So Aiden sold 14 tubs. Caesar sold 8. And we're going to subtract to find the difference. Yes, Nakai?
Can I answer this whole thing?
Oh, you're ready to do the subtraction?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, help me out then. What's 4 minus 8?
4.
So if I have 4 fingers, can I put down 8 fingers?
No.
No, so I can't subtract 8 from 4. What do I have to do, Nakai?
Borrow 1 from the 1.
Okay, so if I borrow 1 from the 1, it's going to turn to 0. Then I have 14. What's 14 minus 8?
That is 14. Let's see. Six.
6, very good. And thank you for going back and double checking when you weren't sure. Very good job. 6. This 1 we turned into a 0 earlier, so we don't have to do anything with that. My answer should be 6. Okay, question 6. The boys were asked to create a bar graph to represent this data. So we made a bar graph the other day. They've already put Nicholas, Caesar, Brandon, and Kevin on here. It says draw the missing bars on the graph to correctly represent the data from the table. So I have to add Aiden and Ian. How many tubs did Aiden sell? So we can add it to our bar graph. Data? 14. Okay. So in Aiden's spot, just like before, I'm going to make a rectangle, and I need it to go all the way up to this line where it says 14. And then I'm going to color it in. Well, shade it in, I guess. All right. We've put in the bar for Aiden. What about Ian? How many tubs of cookie dough did Ian sell? Jadine? 24. This is going to be a huge bar. We have to go all the way up, almost to the very top. to get to that line for 24 for Ian. And then we shade it in. We don't have to add any more because they've already added the other boys for us. So now the bar graph is complete.